big boy. What are you doing? Huh? You're standing up in your crib like a big boy? I see you. I see you. Yes, I do. Look at you. You say good morning. Good morning. Such a big boy. Yeah. It's your first time standing up in bed. You think you're pretty hot stuff, don't you? Yeah, you think you're pretty hot stuff. Yes, you do. And you say good morning. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.